Have you ever wondered how Python functions actually work? How do we pass parameters and get written values? And what's up with global and local variables? If you're a beginner or someone brushing up on Python, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand functions, but also how to avoid common mistakes while handling variables. So let's dive right into it. We'll start with the basics. In Python, a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. It saves you time, makes your code cleaner, and avoid repetition. Here, def is the keyword to define a function. Greet is the function name, and print is what this function does. Simple, right? Now let's level up with parameters. A function becomes more powerful when you can pass information into it. These inputs are called parameters or arguments. Here, name is the parameter of the function greetUser. When we call the function, we provide an argument like Alice or Bob, which gets passed to the parameter. Think of it like passing ingredients into a recipe. Sometimes you want your function to give something back, a result, a calculation, or a processed value. That's where the return value comes in. The return keyword sends the result back to wherever the function was called. Here, 5 and 3 are added and the sum is returned to the variable result. Without return, the function would just print it and not store the value. Here's where things get interesting. Variable scope. A variable scope determines whether it can be accessed in your program. These are of two types, local and global. Local variables are created inside a function and can only be used there. Here, result is a local variable. It's created inside the function and it goes away once the function ends. If you try to use the result outside the function, you'll get an error. Global variables, on the other hand, are defined outside the function and can be used anywhere. Here, global result is defined outside the function and is accessible anywhere in the program. The global keyword allows the function to modify it. But wait, global variables can make your code messy and hard to debug. Always prefer using local variables unless absolutely needed. Alright, we'll quickly recap what we learned today. Functions are a reusable block of code. Parameters allows you to pass inputs to a function. The return keyword lets your function send result back. Variables have scope. Local variable exists inside functions while global variable can be accessed anywhere. But please use them wisely. Now with this knowledge, you can write cleaner, reusable and more efficient Python code. Now, as always, it's your turn. Here's a quick challenge for you. Write a function that calculates the area of a rectangle. Pass the length and width as parameter and return the area. Drop your solution in the comments below. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Python tutorials and share it with someone learning Python. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!